What's up guys, Shahbaz here's live photos show 2 holes in iPhone 14 Pro screen and a Chinese source has published pricing information, new color option for various versions of the flagship smartphone iPhone 14 Pro Max in China. Apparently it is the redesigned iPhone 14 line that Apple fans are most looking forward in 2022 from the company. Yes, this is not about a specific gadget because none of them will receive revolutionary changes, but about the entire line as a whole. According to the published information, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be available in 4 color options: graphite, gold, silver, and purple. It is possible that after the launch, the manufacturer will release other color options. An image surfaced over the weekend showing a 5th color blue. It is also became known that the purple color of the iPhone 14 Pro has gradient effect, displaying different shades in different lighting conditions and at different angles. On September 7, Apple will hold a presentation of new products, including smartphones of the iPhone 14 family. Internet sources have published live photos of these devices, revealing some of the features of the new products. The new series is rumored to include 4 models: iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. They will receive improved hardware, including updated cameras, always-on display, and much more. The published images confirm the information that the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max models are endowed with a screen with 2 holes, oblong and round. Here you will find various Face ID sensors and a front camera. At the same time, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will feature a cutout display like the current iPhone 13 models. Other photos show a slightly modified status bar, so due to the appearance of hole in the screen, the indicators of the battery and the signal strength of the cellular network have moved down and to the right. This can be clearly seen in the video, with the status bar of the iPhone 13 Pro Max overlaid for comparison. It is reported that buyers will be offered versions with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of flash memory. Until now, there are very few smartphones on the market that can offers 1TB of non-volatile memory. iPhone 14 Pro Max with 128GB will be priced. iPhone 14 Pro Max with 256GB will be priced at $1,560 iPhone 14 Pro Max with 512GB will be priced at $1,760 and finally the iPhone 14 Pro Max with 1TB will be priced at almost $2,000. We added that at the upcoming presentation, new smart watches, which will probably called Apple Watch Series 8, may be announced. In addition, Apple may introduce new software products. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.